Organically grown produce to me means that no pesticides or chemicals have been used during the growing process.
Organic to me means natural, raw, something that is in its purest form, untampered.
It's eating natural food, food that isn't processed, food that isn't manipulated and changed and chemicalized.
I wanted to see what CNM has got to offer and also to see the markets out here, because where I'm based we only have just one or two organic shops and there are not a lot of varieties out there. So I just came to know how much of organic stuff is really going on here, because it does help you to know if people are actually embracing that kind of lifestyle.
For me, organic is actually vital because food industry is at the moment one of the industries with the heaviest impact on the environment. So it's really important that we look at organic farming, and we work with small producers because for us the farm is a farm and is not a factory, and we like the traditional idea of a farm surrounded by fields where there is people working with love, passion and wisdom in harmony with nature.
I would describe CNM as people who are educating others to embrace a healthier lifestyle.
Today I spoke about microgreens and sprouting and the benefits, but really what I was talking about was eating naturally, plant-based foods as a whole, and not eating chemical, fertilized, processed food. That's what's causing this epidemic in the UK and around the world. And that's what I love about CNM. It's students and teachers coming together and learning from one another about eating healthy and basically living great lives for them and their students and for everyone else to get in contact with.